Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Acer Predator Orion X gaming desktop and new curved gaming monitors. So friend, Acer has unveiled its latest gaming desktop, the Predator Orion X, packed with cutting-edge components such as the 13th generation Intel Core i9-3900KS processor and liquid-cooled NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 GPU, and the compact gaming PC features a unique space capsule-inspired design that houses the CPU, GPU, and liquid cooling system in multiple zones. It also comes with removable magnetic front covers and metal side panels to protect vital internals and mechanical arm like headset, cradle, and additionally, Acer announced two new curved gaming monitors, the Nitro XZ452CU V and Predator X34 V. So friends, the Nitro XZ452CU V boasts a nearly 45-inch viewing space with a 165Hz refresh rate, AMD FreeSync Premium Pro support, DQHD resolution, and on the other hand, the Predator X34 V features OLED UWQHD panel, DCI P399% color gamut, and VESA DisplayHDR True Black 400 for vivid visuals. And friend, all are available in North America, EMEA, and trend. If I talk about the pricing, the price ranging from $999.99 to $2,999.99. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.